In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create custom image frame with any image like this in Canva. So first of all, you need to open a design and go to the upload section and upload your image in the upload files option. I have already uploaded the image here, so I'm just going to add it to the design. After adding it to the design, I need Batman as my custom frame here. So I'm just going to go to edit image, then click on background remover. And after removing the background, you just need to download this image. Go to share, then click on download and download as PNG, and also check the transparent background. Click on download. After downloading the image, you need to go to apps, then you need to search for image to frame. Click on image to frame. Then you will find this option image to frame. Click on it, open it. Then here you need to choose files. Click on choose files and upload the image that we just downloaded. Then click on add frame to design. And as you can see, here we have the frame of the Batman, custom frame of the Batman PNG. So if we just go to the uploads and add a image to our design, and as you can see, our Batman images of custom frame are ready. So that's it, guys. This is how you can create custom frame with any images in Canva. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.